Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're diving into a straightforward guide on how to send Tether USDT from your Ledger Nano X to XMO in 2025. If you're into crypto and want to move your assets securely, this is perfect for you. Ledger Nano X is one of the most trusted hardware wallets, and XMO is a popular exchange, so let's make this transfer smooth and stress-free. First things first, make sure you have your Ledger Nano X set up, updated to the latest firmware, and that you have Tether in your wallet. You'll also need an XMO account with a verified wallet address ready to receive USDT. Always double-check everything to avoid any mishaps. Step 1. Connect your Ledger Nano X to your computer using the USB cable and open the Ledger Live app. If you don't have it, download it from the official Ledger website. Once connected, unlock your device with your PIN and open the Ethereum app on your Ledger, since USDT is often on the Ethereum blockchain. Remember, Tether can be on different networks, so confirm which one you're using. Next, head over to your XMO account. Log in, go to the deposit section, and select USDT. Copy the wallet address provided by XMO, and make sure it's for the same network as your Tether on Ledger. Mismatches can lead to lost funds. Now, back in Ledger Live, go to the Accounts tab, select your Ethereum account, and find your USDT balance. To send the funds, click on Send and paste the XMO wallet address into the recipient field. Enter the amount of USDT you want to transfer, but leave enough for network fees. Review the details carefully, double-check the address and the amount. Once you're good, confirm the transaction on your Ledger device by checking the screen and pressing the buttons to approve. After you confirm, the transaction will be broadcast to the network. It might take a few minutes to a couple of hours to confirm, depending on network congestion. Keep an eye on your XMO account to see when the funds arrive. Pro tip: always use the official apps and websites to minimize risks, and never share your seed phrase. And there you have it. That's how you send Tether from your Ledger Nano X to XMO in 2025. It's all about being cautious and precise. If you run into any issues, check the Ledger or XMO support pages, or drop a comment below. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more crypto tips. See you next time.